Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick review for the Xiaomi 11T. So by the way, if you want to compare it with the 11T and the 11T Pro, they're very similar. So I will show you also here in that video a bit more about, but most of the things are exactly the same. Also the design, and let us start now with the design here. So because the front is always at both phones Gorilla Glass Victus, and the frame is aluminum, and the back is as well glass. So both phones are looking exactly the same. So also at both phones they have a dust and splash protection, so IP53, and we have a USB type C port here. We have no audio jack, by the way, but what is very nice, we have two speakers, so one below and one on the top. So we have a nice stereo sound, and we have a fingerprint sensor here on the side, which one reacts very quick, by the way. So you just have to tap it, so you don't have to click the button, you just have to tap the fingerprint sensor and it is already there. So very nice. So the weight is at 203 grams, and the colors you can have here are gray, white and blue. So mid-weight gray, moonlight white and celestial blue. So let's have a look here on the back. So we have a 108 megapixel camera, which one supports, of course, 4K videos. We have a 8MP ultra wide cam, and we have a 5MP telephoto macro cam. So I will show you now some differences between them. On the left we will have here the main cam, which one is shooting the pictures with 12 MPs, by the way, instead of the 108, but they are rich in detail. And on the right we will see the ultra wide cam with 8 MPs, which one shoot also very nice pictures, but the main cam is the most powerful, as you can see here at the night pictures. And also the selfie cam is very powerful, by the way, also if it has no HDR, but if there's low light you need a flash light. So, and the software is also very nice tools, like this one here. You can clone objects, and very nice tools with nice results, and I like it. At the front we have a 16MP cam, which one is embedded here at the AMOLED display, which one have 6.76 inches, and by the way 1 billion colors. So the refreshing rate is also very great. We have 120 Hertz, so it looks really smooth, and we have also a cinematic resolution with full HD. Yet you have some pretty cool software tools which one supports the display, like a blue light filter, very nice, especially for the evening and so on. It reduces the eye strain. Also in combination with the dark mode, that it's not too bright if you're looking at your phone in the evening or the night. And what is also very nice, if you have low light, you have here the anti-flicker mode, so that reduces as well the eye strain. And pretty cool, of course, is the refreshing rate. As we said, you have usually up to 120 megahertz. But most of the time you can do it, by the way, with 60 hertz because it saves energy. Okay, let's come to the CPU now, because there's a difference between the 11T and the 11T Pro. So the 11T is working with the MediaTek 1200 5G, and the CPU is pretty fast. It is faster than the one at the Pro version, because they have the very good but a bit slower Snapdragon 888. The only thing is the Pro version, so the CPU of the Pro version supports a faster download and faster uploads. That's the only thing. Okay, and a bit more memory, but the better performance have the MediaTek CPU. The performance is better at the 11T, but at the Pro version you have faster downloads and uploads and so on. Decide what you want to have. So let's come to the storage, because we have two versions here at the 11T, with one with 128 gigabytes and 8 gigabytes of RAMs, and one with a double of 256 gigabytes and as well 8 GB RAM. So at the Pro version, you have also another version as well. But I think this is enough. But at both phones, you cannot extend the internal storage with a micro SD card. It doesn't work. But you are able to insert 2 SIM cards, one on the top and one below. Okay, and of course we have Android 11 and we have the Xiaomi Mi 12.5 and there's announced also an update to MIUI 13. It will come very soon. Okay, let's come to the battery because we have here 5000 milliampere battery, which one is non-removable, but I think we're used to that already. And it supports fast charging, very fast charging. So 67 watt and Xiaomi have said that that means that it's in 36 minutes you can charge the phone from 0 to 100%. By the way, the Pro version, this is a Pro point for the Pro version, you have double of the fast charging, almost. It's 120 watt, and that means that you can charge in less than 20 minutes from 0 to 100%. So pretty fast. And we have all the standards here in that phone. We have 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G. We have Wi-Fi, of course, with all the newest standards. We have Bluetooth, we have infrared, we have NFC, very important during this time. And yeah, we have no FM radio, but I think during the days we have streaming services for music. It's not that important anymore. And yeah, now we're at the price. Yeah, another difference between the 11T and the 11T Pro. The 11T is at 600 euro roundabout as it came out, and the 11T Pro is at 650 euro. And also we have nice features here. So we have a one-handed mode, which one allows us to have a mini screen here. We can do everything. We can play games and so on. Then we have the opportunity to clone apps. So that means that we can have here 2 WhatsApp accounts and so on, or 2 Instagram accounts, etc. And what is pretty cool, we have also a second space. So that means that you can have a complete private area. So let me show you what I mean. So this is my main space here. If I tap 4 times the one, so as we have seen, with the apps I have and so on, but I can create also a second and a very hidden place. So if I tap just 4 times the 9, so you can set up an own code. This is my code here, and now I have a complete hidden space with an own gallery, with own browser history, with own app content and so on. So I can download separate apps here, and that means also that I can have maybe a third a WhatsApp account or Facebook account and so on and so on. So a pretty cool feature, and it is invisible. So very nice. Yeah, this has been some tools you can do with. I will show you also it in some other videos here on my channel in the next days with some tips and tricks and so on. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this review here, that you have an impression about the Xiaomi 11T and 11T Pro a bit. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, I've created also some other videos, as I said, like the tips and tricks videos. They will come out in the next days. And yeah, you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.